Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food, instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SHIB update. Today, it's been a while we haven't talked about SHIB, so let's do this. And we are looking to be down at 906. For a very long time, I've been giving you a technical target to 1019, but people, they still thought, oh, you don't know what you're talking about. But anyways, target met, okay? Target met. So now, where do we go from here? The weekly time frame. Right off the bat, I just want to dive into the monthly time frame. I'm not interested in the lower time frame, and talk about the next technical target, by the way. So all you're doing is right now making this pennant for SHIB, and you're breaking out of that pennant, and the next technical target for SHIB, without any wasting time or anything like that, is to pop out of it, and you are looking to come down to 376 or 381. Or let's just say it's safe to say 300 or 400 basically is the next technical target that you're looking for SHIB to come down to. Now there could be chances because this is a higher time frame and it could take a long time. It could even take like maximum 6 months to come down there, because when you're talking about the monthly, you have to think based on months, okay? And could take 2 months, could take 3 months, 4 months, and then finally come down there. Maybe by February, be down there next year. So it's a technical target on a monthly time frame. Now, if someone is not bothered, this is the end of the update. You don't need anything else. You don't need to know anything else, because on a smaller time frame, you can still have like 10-20% pumps and 30% pumps. You can actually even try to pump back up to 1212 and retest the flag, get rejected here, and then start to move lower and lower and lower. So the monthly still shows there, and I do have some buying bids, by the way, down here for SHIB for the long run. I really want to buy SHIB for the long run if it does come down there. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.